Hello guys. Anyway, today I would like to explain how the 3.3 volts and the 5 volts is generated on the new motherboard. I'm pretty sure most, especially most technicians are confused in these latest motherboards. I'm sure they are confused exactly, and they are wondering how the 3.3 volts and the 5 volts is generated on the latest motherboard. This is very tricky, but it's simple anyway. I want to share this answer with you guys. Let's go. Let's open a schematic, okay, for this laptop, and let's check for 5 volts or 3 volts. I want to show you how the 3.3 and the 5 volts is generated on the latest motherboard. Yeah, I feel that there was a need for me to explain this so that people who are not familiar with motherboard, even those guys who are familiar, but some of them are lost when it comes to latest motherboard. Okay, so here what they did on the latest motherboard. I want to show you what are the changes, what exactly are the changes on the latest motherboard, and how the 3.3 volts and 5 volts is generated. You all know that the 3.3 and the 5 volts are important. Before anything else, you need the 3.3 volts and you need the 5 volts. Let me show you how the 3.3 and the 5 volts are generated on the latest motherboard. Even if you are missing the 3.3 or the 5 volts on the latest motherboard, this is where you should check first. I know now I don't know what is going on here. What exactly is going on here? 3 volts, 3.3 volts and the 5 volts are very important. Watch my videos, watch my previous videos where I explain why you need 5 volts and why you need 3.3 volts. Please watch my old videos. Did explain everything step by step. Okay, remember on the old motherboard, normally how do we get 3.3 and how do we get 5 volts? Usually we use two MOSFETs, right? We connect here. It's more like this. We use two MOSFETs, one connected to ground and the other one connected to the main power, and there will be a chip controlling those two MOSFETs, and this chip generates 3.3 and it generates 5 volts using different MOSFETs. But in this case, we don't have MOSFETs. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here we are. No, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Here we are. On the latest motherboard, this is exactly what you have. You only have a chip. Okay, this is a chip responsible for creating 3 volts always, and there's another chip here creating 5 volts always. Okay, there's no MOSFET, there's nothing, it's only those chips generating the 3.3 volts, and that one is generating the 5 volts. Two chips, as you can see, is two of them. So if you're having any issues with 5 volts, or please check this chip. If you're having any shorts, check this chip, check this capacitors, and check the main power rail. But again, I'm telling you, on the latest motherboard, there is no MOSFETs that generate 3.3 volts or 5 volts. They are using these chips to generate those two power rails. Anyway, guys, this is it. Let me just make it short. But anyway, I hope that you are learning and you are understanding this whole basic thing. This basic actual. But this is how the 3.3 and the 5 volts is generated. It's tricky though, but all the answers are here. Sharp, sharp, guys. Press the subscribe button right now. Do it now.